Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today we will be learning how we can create a Google My Business account for our e-commerce store or our website. First of all, go to google.com/business and enter. Now you are in the Google Business Profile area. From here, click on the Start Now button. Now here, it will help you in discovering your maps and search. Enter your business name and click on continue. I'll hide it because some information is confidential. So here choose your business type. I'll choose online retail because I'm setting the Google My Business account for my website. You can set it up for your local store, physical store, and your service business as well. Click on next. Now you have to add your website here. Enter the proper link which starts from HTTPS. After that, click on next. Now select the country where your business is registered. My business is registered in the United States. So I'll select it. So here will set up the merchant center. It says that your products are discovered by shopping online and YouTube and other. So check on the boxes you want and then click on continue. Now here we are in the Google Merchant Center and we have 5 tasks to complete. So I'll quickly add my address here. So I have set up the address here and then I'll click on continue. So here you can set up all the countries you want from to where you will ship or in which countries your product should show on Google. So I'll select a few as per my choice where I have to deliver my products. Now after selecting all the countries, click on continue. Now it says that show customers how you ship your products. You have to add the shipping details like you add it in your website. So select the country and click on continue from where you ship. Now here if you're shipping through a carrier, for example, USPS or DHL or FedEx, any, you can select by carrier. And if you want to enter the information manually, click on entire specific delivery times manually. Enter. I'll click on it. Here you can see the order cutoff time. You can set up your time zone here. Read all of this in the right side and fill it as per your needs. Now, as you can see, I have set up the cutoff time 2 p.m. I've set up the shipping zone time as per my choice. Handling time 3 days minimum and maximum and Monday to Saturday. Transit time is minimum 2 days to maximum 12 days depending on the country. And the total delivery time it estimates is 5 to 15 business days. This is how you can simply set up the shipping area. Click on continue and then now here you can calculate the shipping cost, set up the shipping cost for your customers. I have to do it by weight, so I'll click on it and then I have to order the weight based shipping. In metrics, I'll select the kilograms and I have to set up 0 kg to 0.5 kg. It should be a fixed rate of $5. Yeah, and so as it go on that like 0.5 to 1 kg, it should be $10 for me. Add weight, if you click on add weight range, it will give you a lot of ranges if you want. Now I want to set up 1 kg to 1.5 kg and the cost will be $15. Now I'll set 1.5 kg and above to $25. That's final. So I'll click on save. Now show your customers the return policy for your products. So I'll just do it later. In our Google Merchant Center, you have to explore everything by yourself, like notifications, products in store, creative content, marketing, analytics, settings, store quality, ad campaigns, Google Play button, all of these things. You can set it up as per your choice. Here in Products tab, you will see all your products, marketing, analytics. From marketing, you can run ads. And if you go to settings and the business info, you can click on the business info here and you can check if your address in your online store verified and claimed, and that's it. You can add the payment method as per your choice, and that's it. That's so easy. Hope you like the video. If it helped you, do like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.